dogs tuning to my channel and ceramic head gasket repair. This stuff is not worth to buy. Now, we had an issue with a Vauxhall head gasket blown, and I purchased this one cheap and cheerful, $14.99, and we did the whole procedure, run it through, then drain the oil, put in new oil, drain the water, put in new water, and within literally like miles the water mixed with the oil again. So this product on eBay is absolutely useless, so do not waste your money. There are products similar which apparently work better from other retailers, which I don't want to mention because for no cash I'm not going to make any advertise for any of those. But this very product from eBay for $14.99, do not touch, because it's exactly the same as you would take £10, wipe your bum with it, flush it down the toilet, and $4.99 throw it out to the street. Actually, if you throw out the $4.99 to the street, it's much more powerful, because someone's going to find it, or maybe several people, and they're going to reusing it. But this is a useless product. I just wanted to make this video because I really want my $14.99 back. So you guys keep hitting that advertisement and rewatch the video and all my videos. So at some point I will make the money back. But this is a product really, really bad. Donkey dongs, which join my channel, like, share, comment, of course. Arra, wow, Wiedersehen. Und was dann schirm nicht steht.